sorta like drugs. Runs through my veins, I'm becoming a fiend. God has a plan, please do not intervene. I gotta get it, that's by any means. Work like a slave just to live like a king. They say my name and I hope that it rings. Step into the ring, killing these rappers, that's just for the pleasure. Step to me, homie, you don't even measure.
Alright guys, what's going on? I had a video I was gonna put up last week, but I never did it. I didn't like the way it came out, so I'm gonna just tell you what I did in the video and then start doing what I'm gonna do in this video. I plasti dipped my grill. I plasti dipped this part too, but it didn't come out right. Well, it came out right, but I didn't like the way it looked on the car. So I plasti dipped it, this middle part right here. Then plasti dipped my mud flaps. Right now I'm gonna plasti dip this side skirts of the car, make them black. And then also on the last video, I plasti dip this right here, made it more black. It was really faded, so I plasti dipped that. And I got the other mud flap right here and the one down there. But also too, I actually got my wind visors on. I don't like the way the fitment is, but I guess it's cool for right now. I got my Mugen quick release latches, they're on. And then also I went ahead and bought a Mugen spoiler. I think it looks pretty cool. Looks pretty alright to me. That's what it looks like from behind. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and plasti dip that down there. And I was thinking about doing my door handles because they're pretty faded too. But I don't know yet. It's kind of windy today too, so I think I'm gonna pull the car into the garage and do it. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car in the garage and start plasti dipping stuff. I don't know if I might do my windows too, just the black parts that look faded. Clean them and then I'm gonna just plasti dip them, I guess. So yeah, let me go get that started. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Get this chair out of the way, damn. Gotta turn my wheels and crap to get the mud flaps off. So let's do that. I was trying to turn this way first. Alright, that's cool. I'm gonna find a screwdriver. Kinda hard to do this with one hand and holding the fucking phone. But let's see. There we go. Wonder if I didn't even have to do this. Like, I wonder if I just slip out if I take it out. Alright, here we go. Get this one out. So this was kind of a waste of time. I try to take this off, but I couldn't find a screwdriver short enough under right here, and I don't feel like pulling out the jack and lifting the car up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just clean off the side and everything, and then I'm going to mask off the whole thing, just so I don't get paint on the door and have to peel that off, and I could just spray it. I think that should work out pretty fine. I'm just do that on both sides. Alright, so I masked off the whole thing. Just gotta go ahead and focus. There you go. I masked off the whole thing, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it off, clean off all the dirt and everything, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start painting over it. I'm gonna do the same for the other side, and shoot, I'll just mask this off too, so I don't have to worry about it later. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and mask it, clean it, and then start the paint process. What I started to do was to mask it off kind of for like peeling off the Plasti Dip, but it's gonna take a long process with the stupid ass bags. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it, and then whatever excess I get, I'll just peel it off. So let me start. Alright, so I think I'm gonna start from down here and then go across, and then I'll work my way up right here, and then I'll come back. How many layers I do on it. Alright, so let's start right here. Alright. Right there. Right there. It's already looking good too. Oops, not stuff over. Alright. Already looks good right here. It made a big difference, but sprayed a few more times. Now let's try this part right here. Just lightly coat it. Alright, right there. Should be cool. I'll let that dry, and then I'll come back and hit it again with another layer. I'm gonna start the other side right now. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and do the whole thing, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm done with it. Like I said, this is already looking good, like on the bottom. So yeah, I'll be right back when I'm done with it all. So after taking off the tape and everything and finally finishing, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty sick. It looks pretty dope. I like this. The only thing I don't like, which I need to get another paint job or get a new paint job for this car, because you see the peeling up here. I guess the car is originally green and it's peeling a lot. And when I pull the tape back, little things like this happen. It's really bad on the other side. Show you. Right there and down there, it got really bad. So I just need to get another paint job on this car. It's kind of bad, but overall, like painting the car from the trim and everything, it looks pretty dope from far away. On that side, at least. On this side, it looks pretty legit. So yeah, I didn't want to do the handles after all. I said forget it, just leave them how they are. Same thing with these for right now. What? Got my phone. But yeah, came out pretty good. And that was only like a can. When I used the other can for the other stuff, that was like basically the full can. I used this can right here, which is still full. I used it just to finish off the job, finish off everything else for the last coat. I did about 4 coats on each side. So yeah, next video, I'm planning on getting this wire mesh right here on the bottom bumper. I'm gonna get this wire mesh on the bottom bumper. It'll match with this one right here. I'm gonna put it down there, and I think I'm gonna get me a light bar for the bottom right here. Maybe just 2 fog lights. I might just cut out that part, and it's where it stops at the fog lights, and then put the fog lights in, and then just have the wire mesh right there. But that's something to think about right now. But again, I do need to get a paint job. Look, even right here, you can see green. Shoot, I might just peel all this off and just let the car be green. But and I need to clean my freaking headlights. But other than that, till the next video, catch you guys later.